Hello, little yogis. Welcome to this amazing yoga video. Today, we are going on a very special adventure. Are you ready to swim like a fish and move like a graceful jellyfish? Let's start by standing tall like a coral pillar. This is the gentle tide. Reach your arms up and let your hands drift like soft waves in the water. Feel the cool, blue magic all around you. Inhale through your nose and exhale slowly. You are calm, you are fluid, and you are beautiful. Now, step your feet wide and stretch your arms out. You are the surfing hero. Imagine you are gliding on a big, friendly wave. Keep your body strong but soft, just like the ocean. Look over your hand. What do you see? Maybe a dolphin friend? Breathe deep. Feel the strength in your legs and the flow in your heart. You are brave and graceful. Let's become a sea star. Stretch your arms and legs out as wide as you can. You are glowing with bright, underwater light. Every finger and every toe is reaching out to touch the magic bubbles. Take a big breath in. Feel yourself getting bigger and brighter. You are a star of the sea. Hold this happy pose. Can you balance like floating seaweed? Put one foot on your leg and reach your arms up. Now, gently sway your arms from side to side, just like seaweed dancing in the current. It's okay if you wobble, the water is moving you. Focus your eyes on a pretty coral in front of you. Deep breath, feel how flexible and calm you are. Time to dive deep. Lift your hips high for the deep sea diver. Push your hands into the soft sand and look at your toes. We are looking for hidden treasures in the deep blue. Stretch your back long, breathe in the bubbles, breathe out the bubbles. You are so strong and flexible. Feel the stretch in your hero legs. Hold it right there. Almost there. All right, little turtles. Drop down and hold your shell strong. This is the swimming turtle. Keep your back flat like you're carrying a heavy, magical shell across the ocean floor. We're building super strength in our tummy and arms. Take a slow breath in and out. You are steady, you are strong, and you're doing great. Step 1 foot forward and reach your arms up high. This is the ocean wave reach. Imagine you are a giant, powerful wave rising from the deep sea. Feel the energy flowing from your toes, all the way up to your fingertips. Breathe in the salty air and breathe out. You are huge, you are powerful, and you are graceful. Time to play. Come down onto your elbows and lift your hips high for the playful dolphin. Imagine you're jumping through the waves to say hello to your friends. This pose makes our shoulders and core super strong. Take a big dolphin breath. Click, click. Keep those hips high and stay steady in the water. You're doing a splash-tastic job. Lay down on your tummy and push your chest up. This is the pearl cobra. We're rising up from the sand to see the beautiful sun shining through the water. Stretch your neck long and give the world a big, kind smile. Breathe in deep. Feel your heart opening up like a magical shell. You are shining bright today. Hold it right there, just a few more seconds. Let's take a moment to drift. Sit down comfortably for the floating lotus. Close your eyes and imagine you are sitting on a giant, soft leaf floating on the surface of the lagoon. Your body feels light and peaceful. Take a slow, deep breath in, and let it out like a gentle bubble. You are calm, you are safe, and you are ready for more. Can you balance like the balancing seahorse? Lean forward and lift one leg back. Stretch your arms out. You're floating perfectly in the ocean current. You wobble a little, that's just the water moving around you. Keep your tummy strong and focus on a tiny bubble in front of you. You are graceful and so steady. Here comes a giant, friendly whale. Lay on your back and lift your hips high for the whale bridge. We're making a huge arch for all the fish to swim under. Press your feet into the sand and lift even higher. Breathe in, feel your chest expand like the big blue ocean. You are strong and supportive. Keep those hips up, you're doing a whale-sized job. Quick, tuck in tight like a clam shell. Hug your knees and protect your inner pearl. This is our secret hiding spot where we recharge our water magic. Feel your back getting a nice, soft stretch. Take a slow, deep breath. Inhale the calm, exhale the bubbles. You are safe and cozy in your shell. Sit up and let's twist like a sea serpent. Cross your leg and turn your body to look behind you. We're checking the coral reef to see who's hiding there. Keep your back tall like a lighthouse. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, twist a little further. You are so flexible, just like water. Now slowly tuck in for the sleepy anemone. Place your forehead on the floor and let your arms relax. Everything is quiet in the underwater garden. You are completely safe. Feel your back relax after all that stretching. Take a slow, deep breath and feel the ocean floor supporting you. Lay on your back and lift your legs straight up to the sky for floating seagrass. Imagine your legs are moving slowly with the waves of the water. All your energy is now flowing back into your heart. Stay very still, feel the tingle in your toes. You have done an amazing job today. Let's be a happy jellyfish. Grab your feet and rock from side to side. This is our mission success dance. Roll around a little on the ocean floor and give your back a nice massage. You are brave, you are flexible, and you are a star. Smile big, ocean friends. And finally, we rest as the pearl of peace. Lay completely still. Your body is perfectly calm, just like a beautiful pearl resting at the bottom of the deep sea. Close your eyes, listen to the sound of the bubbles. You are a true water hero. Be proud of yourself for finishing the journey.